Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ivan. Wishing you a day filled with joy and love. More birthdays to come and good health always.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ivan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ivan. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ivan. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Iban. More birthdays to come. Amping always. Mwah!
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Ta. Happy birthday. Stay healthy. God bless. Happy birthday. We love you. Mamita, happy birthday. God bless you and take care always.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Happy birthday to Evan. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Iban. Wish you all the best. Hope tagaan pa ka sa Ginoo may panglawas. Kay manlaag patawid Luisa. Magpakaayo ka ban. And good health always. Ayaw pag kalimot sa pag-ampo. And happy birthday again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ban.
Happy birthday, Tita Ivan.
Sa Ivan, happy birthday. Ang wish na ko nimo, good health and enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Bye.
Hi, Mommy Ivan. Wishing you a happy birthday. May have many more birthdays to come and may God bless you with good health. So, once again, happy birthday.